This is my client who I've been doing for a while, who came in to refresh and brighten up her ombre. The first thing I did was apply lightener away from the scalp down to where the hair gets lighter. I waited till this section was completely ready before then pulling it down onto the ends. I knew her hair was going to lift with a lot of red pigment because we've done red for quite some time now, but that was totally fine since we were only looking to brighten it up and refresh the same color scheme anyway. Once I pulled the lightener over the ends, I let it sit for just a few minutes and then mixed up my colors. I mixed up a deeper red for the base, an orangey color for the middle, and then for the ends, I mixed up just a dot of silver with conditioner so that it would just make those ends a little bit less warm. I also mixed up a very light corally color for the money piece so that it would blend and match into the ends as well. We were literally so obsessed with her hair. It looked so beautiful and shiny and healthy, and the colors blended together so beautifully. We loved the brighter bang and how beautifully it blended into the end color, and we loved how rich and bright the middle color was. She was totally living out her Hayley Williams era.